Hi, what's up guys? My name is Haris Imran and I'm a student from University Technology Petronas, and I am currently taking Petroleum Engineering in Foundations for the final semester. This is a down-to-earth project whereby it is a tutorial video on how to solve your maths equation even more efficiently and more conveniently. So first and foremost, what is Desmos? Desmos is a graphing calculator which helps you plot data, plot graphs, or graph functions. So let's just take a quick example. I'll be putting on an example of equation which is y equals to x plus 2. So to add on more equation is by clicking this plus icon here and go to the expression. So for the second equation would be y equals to 4. And for the final equation would be y equals to 2x. Alright, as you can see here is the lines plotted by me. And for example, to find the intersection point is by dragging it to here and scrolling to it, and you just click onto it, and there you have it, is the coordinates for the intersection points. So this is just a brief example on how to use Desmos. And moving on to symbolab. Symbolab is actually almost close to Desmos, but symbolab is an example of how to solve your equations. This is a very convenient thing to help you find answers for your equation. So let's just take an example. So I'll be taking an example which is sine x plus 9 dx. This is just an example of derivatives, and you just go here, and there you have it, the solution. This is a given solution by symbolab, which is in a full scape here. The answer is negative cos bracket x plus 9 bracket plus c. Note that you can actually do other stuffs here, which is alternating test, area, asymptotes, critical points, and many more. So guys, there you have it. This is a tutorial video on how to utilize Desmos and symbolab. This is a very efficient way on how to solve your maths equations. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.